I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to be Lucifer Morningstar. Begin by focusing on posture, tone, and wardrobe to build a commanding presence that feels natural. Practice slow, deliberate gestures and measured speech to convey control without aggression. Study charismatic speakers and mirror their composure while keeping your own authenticity. Small daily rituals around grooming and attire reinforce identity and help you step into a more confident version of yourself each day. Warm charisma combines curiosity, timing, and emotional intelligence in practical ways. Start conversations by asking thoughtful questions and listening fully, which makes people feel truly seen. Blend light humor and a calm, steady voice to ease tension and invite connection. Cultivate the habit of mirroring tone and pace subtly to build rapport fast. Practicing these behaviors turns social interactions into opportunities to charm without manipulation and to leave memorable impressions. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos for you. Quick recommendation. The O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated on the go, fits in most cup holders, and has a reliable spill-proof lid, perfect when you're busy embodying a polished persona. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so take a peek if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Confidence and wit grow from preparation, composure, and humility combined. Build a personal catalog of anecdotes and clever observations to draw on in conversation. Train your breathing and pausing so you never rush an answer and can deliver lines with timing. When you fumble, own it with a light comment and move on, which often lands better than perfection. Over time, steady practice makes quick thinking feel effortless and genuine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.